Tornado Strong, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Purple Trader, are you ready?
Ready.
All right.
Yes.
Dracubot, are you okay? George Washington, are you ready?
Yes.
Flippybot is ready. Mom, are you ready?
Sure.
All right. We'll start this match in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight.
Thank you, Dylan.
You're welcome. Uh-oh.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Oh no, I'm being flipped. Somebody help me. Oh no.
No, we're not helping.
Yeah, help you, yeah.
Got stuck for a reason.
Let's get to the floor.
Oh, that's the first one out.
You win?
Someone
I
went.
did.
Oh, okay.
Gotcha.
Oh, that's so close.
No, don't get there. Get my brother. Or me.
You stack them up high enough, someone can get it back out.
No.
Dylan and I had the same plan. Run away.
Maybe dueling Dracubot is the most that
Hey, what on Dracula?
dueling.
What am I doing?
Driving right. Alright, we get one of the clan out.
Help me.
I can't. I'm kind of busy blowing.
Clan is out.
That was just
Alright, so I
Dracula.
guess the next tough competition is, yeah, you're the next toughest.
Don't ignore Dracubot. It's kind of like the it's just nuts situation.
Yeah, we're nuts, banshee, carbide, and behemoth.
Carbide, hand drawn, concussion, you name it.
Come on. Oh. Throw us
Yes,
both
you
in
can get a
with.
double. Yeah, double.
Oh, wait, never mind. I was gonna. I didn't want to let him go. I was trying to wiggle it. Oh, now I'm grabbed. This is.
Oh, how the tides have turned.
How the turns have tied. My, how the turntables. No.
I could have made this thing right there.
Chose not to.
Oh!
Third place. Hey, Flippybot, you can flip me out if I can get stuck on you. Come on. Okay.
Oh, you're trying to get someone to release you?
Oh, is that match
Oh,
over?
that's the time. But I want to keep going.
Yeah, just keep going. Yeah, let's just keep going until we have a winner.
Oh, no!